Hello everyone, this is a Garage Master script, so I tried to install it within my own domain name, dotic.com. So I'm gonna try to tell you guys how to do it, how to install the script and install it for your own domain name. So you can try the script for your own business or for other businesses. You can try to resell it, okay? So let's dive into the script and see if it is great or not. So here is the email. So by the way, it's great, okay? So let's go into the email, and the password it's 123 and so 8. So I'm gonna put this password login. Now we can see the dashboard. Great, so this is the dashboard. So I'm gonna try to change the language to let me change the language. All right, the language it's in here, I think. Yeah, so I'm gonna change it to English. All right, so it's changed to English now. So this is a dashboard, so you can try this dashboard, okay? And here employees, customers, suppliers, services, and whatever. Here we have an inventory, we have suppliers. If you want to add your own suppliers, here adding products, here for purchases, and here for stocks, okay? And here for users, customers, employees, support staffs, accountants, branch admin. Here for vehicles, if you want to add vehicles, all right? Here list of vehicles type and whatever. And if you want to add the services, so you can click and you can add your own services, adding, so you can add services. And here for quotations, here for invoices, so you can try to view invoice. Okay, this is the view invoice. You can extract it as a PDF. It's see it as a PDF, so it is how it comes as PDF. So let's try to here for job cards. Okay, so for invoices you can share it as well as share on WhatsApp. So you can click and you can share it on WhatsApp to your customers, and you can see payment histories. You can edit and whatever. Okay, here for job cards, and here you can edit, process the job. Okay, for Garage Hub, and here for taxes rates, here for list of payment methods. Okay, here if you want to incomes. Okay, and you can click on actions, you can edit or delete. Here for expenses. Okay, if you want to add your own expense, you can click plus and you can add your own expense. And here part sales, so if you have a part sales, you can add them here. Compliances, here if you want reports, so you can view chart, here total amounts. We have view chart if you want to click and view charts. And there's another reports here of product stocks, product usage, services, upcoming services, and emails. All right, so let me try to click on here if you want to change email templates. Each for example, for email notification for users registration, so you can change the email notification. All right, I'm sorry, you can change the format of email. And here we have customer fields, and we have everything here. If you want to add your own branch, here for settings there is a lot of parts here and a lot of tabs, so you can add other settings here. For time zones, language, there's a lot of languages here. As you can see, we have their format. You can format, you can change the currency. All right, here you can access the rights. Here for you can give rights access to each user, like customer, like employees, like support staff, like you can do access rights. Here for business hours, here if you have a Stripe settings, so you can put your Stripe here, so your clients could pay you by their account, because as you can see that this system or this script could like give access to your clients to have their own account, right? So here we have a branch settings, so you can switch the branch. So if you have, for example, a lot of branches or like a lot of businesses or garage businesses, so you can add them as branches. Okay, so you can switch them from here. So the system or this script could do management global of all branches that you have. Here for email settings, so you can add your email settings here. Okay, so let me try to show you guys how to download this script, okay, that exists on CodeCanyon. So we're gonna try to install it, okay, and we're gonna do it without license key needed, and it's more cheaper than CodeCanyon. So let me try to go first to this website. So go guys to autoscripthub.com. Then so I'm gonna put this link in the description below. So after going to this link, you're gonna try to click here this file or this product. So just if you don't find it, just put here and put Garage Master, okay, and the search, and this will be pop up. Click on that and click search now. Then you will have this product. Just click on that, and as you can see guys, we have this listing. Just click on buy now, click on that. Okay, so you're gonna try to process. So if we go through CodeCanyon, for example, and search for Garage Master, so the price is $64. Okay, it's more expensive than our script here. It's just $5. Okay, and you can install it without a license key needed. So let's proceed to checkout. Then after you try to like this checkout with PayPal, for example. So here as first, if you are not a customer with us, you can try an email example. Let me think that your name is John, for example, John for example at gmail.com. Let me click on here, password. For password, just click wherever, just your own password. Then you can click and check out with PayPal. All right, let me try to check out now with PayPal. So we have this email address, and just put whatever password you want, any password. Okay, just click check out with PayPal. Now I'm gonna log in. So I'm gonna try to pay the, okay, so I'm gonna complete my purchase. Great, so I paid. So I'm gonna return to the merchant. Great, now the transaction will successful. So the script will, or the system will create for you an account. So just click on purchase. So here you're gonna find your own script that was downloaded. Okay, so now you can try to download the item. Click on that. So you can try to download this item just by clicking download. All right, then you're gonna download this item, as you can see. Okay, so as you can see guys, we downloaded the file. This is the file. So if you open it, you're gonna find two files. So we have app.zip and we have database. So I extract them. So just if you want to extract them, just click right and extract here. So you're gonna get app.zip and database file. Okay, so here is guys, I'm gonna try now to install the script. Okay, so just log into your account on Hostinger or any provider or Hostinger. Like you're gonna try to buy a domain name and a hosting. So but the best provider is Hostinger. So it's try to give you everything you need. And if you need to create, if you don't have the account with Hostinger and you want to buy a domain name and the hosting, so I'm gonna put the link below in the description. So you can try to create your own account, and they will give you a 25% discount if you use the link in the description. All right. So here is the domain name. All right. So I'm gonna try to install the script here in this domain name. Okay. So as you can see guys, I'm gonna click on this domain name. So I'm gonna see what's inside of this website. So on clicking, you're gonna see 403 forbidden. Okay, so there's nothing here on this website. So I'm gonna try to install the script. Okay, I'm gonna install the script, and you're gonna see the system is working perfectly. Okay, so let's dive into the step-by-step how to install the script. Okay guys, so here in file manager, we're gonna try to install the files. Okay, click on file manager. So you're gonna try to upload the extracted files. Okay, So here click on public HTML. Here I already upload the app.zip, so if you want to upload this, just click on upload here, file, and go through to where you extracted your file. So here I already extracted, put my file here, so I extract it, so I extract as app and database here. So you're gonna click on app and you can open it. So then you're gonna upload this file. Okay, so upload app.zip. Great. Now we're gonna try to extract. Click on extract here and just write anything here, extract. Alright, so just a little bit of seconds. Great. Now go to this folder, select all, and move the folders. Okay, and move it. Then just remove this folder. Great. Now we have all files. Now what you should do is we have to import the databases. So first let me delete this database to show you how to do it step by step. Let me see AjitScan. I'm gonna name my database as AjitScan. So you can name it as you want. Okay, so I'm gonna try this password, so and create that. Great. Now we have this database, so we have to connect this database to those files. All right, so how to do it? So click on enter phpMyAdmin. Okay, so it will give you the option to import the database. So click on import, choose file, and click on this database you already extracted. So open it. Great. Now go through and just disable this foreign key checks and click import. So the database will be imported. A little bit of seconds and it's gonna be imported. Great. Now it's imported. Now what we should do is to connect this database to these files. So we have the database now and we have files. Now what we should do, we have to connect this file. So go to public HTML and click on .env, this file. Then select this MySQL database. Okay, go to this database, click on that database, replace it. I'm sorry, this this is the database, and this username, the username. So here the database username and the database. Okay, so we have here just paste that, and here's the password that I already specified. Here you have to change it with the domain name that you have. So I have ajitscan.com, ajitscan.com. Perfect. Now great, just save that, and now we have those files connected with this database, right? So what you should do, we have to go to this domain name now and see if it is correctly installed or not. So clicking on that. Great, now it's imported successfully. Okay, so we're gonna try to, I think let me see the email, because I forgot the email of admin. I think this is the email. So I'm gonna go to this and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 login. These credentials do not match our records, so I'm gonna go to the admins to see users, because I forgot the users. So we have, okay, this is the admin. I think this is the admin, so I'm gonna put it here. No, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 login. Great, is logged in now. So great, so this is the script is working now perfectly, so you can start working on your own business, or you can resell it to other businesses, so you can make money with that. So let me change the so if you want to change that, if you want to change this email, so just click, for example, this demo, for example, and you can change that. Okay, so this is how it works. So as you can see, guys, we are able to install the script, and as you can see, you can click and you can book the service, and you can add whatever you want here, so you can manage the garage businesses. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. So as you can see, as I said before, you can have all like links that I said before, like of Hostinger and the demo. And if you want to buy the script for $5, so you can just try autoscripthub.com and you can install the script. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and have a good day. Thank you so much.